say she be mine, mine only. Sweetie only, say she be mine, mine only. Say sweetie.
Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pearly. In today's video, I'm gonna be installing a wig unit from AliExpress. It's gonna be my first ever blonde wig, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of excited. So I want you guys to see how I'm gonna install this wig. For that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want me to do next. You guys want to see how I install this wig? Just keep on watching. So I already went ahead and bleached the knots, and I already plugged it. It's a 10-inch 13x6 lace frontal. If I find the link, I'll put it down below, but I bought this wig quite a while ago. I have so many wigs that I haven't used yet, and they're still in boxes, so I just picked this one out today because I've never tried a blonde wig. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install this. So first, what we're gonna do is take off this bald-headed, okay? So none of y'all coming for me in this comment, please. If I keep looking this way, it's because my mirror and vanity is like right next to me, so please bear with me because this is the only angle that I can record at this. Let me brush my my baby hairs back because I don't want to lose them, okay? Obviously, I'm pretty sure everybody know how to do this, the ball cap method, so I'm gonna just skip this to the drying process and stuff. So just watch. Like, I'm not gonna talk, so just you guys watch. And by the way, you guys, I am in cosmetology school. So I don't know if you guys want me to do like a cosmetology video, like where I go to school, go to class, something like that. Because, y'all, I'm gonna be licensed and I'm not playing because I want to open my own shop in Texas. I can't give y'all the info yet, but just know it is coming. Okay, I'm gonna be graduating June 2022. I'm gonna be graduating. So I just want you guys to come in on my journey, on this hair journey life. So I'm gonna be opening my shop. Everything is gonna be booked and ready. Okay, stop playing with me. Don't play with me. Play with your friend. How I'm gonna do this is like, you want this part to lay flat. Like, this is my biggest, you know, the place that I focus on the most, because I want this part to lay really, really flat. So I cut below the lace, so that way, you know, when it dries up, it doesn't lift up. So now I'm gonna be taking my blow dryer and blow dry this. I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see this process, so yeah. I try to cut as close to my hairline as possible. A razor is better than a scissors if you want to get this super laid. I feel like a razor works way better than a scissors because the scissors is lifting up the, like you can see this, is really lifting it up. So I'd rather use a razor. So I'm gonna cut this and I'm gonna come back because I need to make it really, really close to my scalp. So now that, you know, I got the ball cap to the perfection that I want, I'm probably gonna end up cutting this side, but the back, I just left it. It's not really nothing to worry about because we're not gonna be caring for the back. I'm gonna be taking my Kiss Mineral Powder. I feel like powder is better than you know, concealer or foundation, because powder does not, like, because this is a blonde wig, so you don't want like your foundation to show through your lace. No, we don't want that, right? I'm gonna be taking this powder and dabbing it all over my ball cap. So this is what we are looking like. I went ahead and I put some foundation on the lace. maybe a little too much because you can still see it up there. So I'm gonna cut the lace, and I'm gonna cut it into 4 sections because I work easier with that. Trust this process. This is a trusting process, okay? My first time wearing blonde wig, and y'all bearing with me, okay? So 4 sections. I feel like it works better. So yeah. But this is the glue that I'm gonna be using, Ghost Bond glue. Putting it onto my ball cap. So let that air dry a little bit. Do not blow dry this. I feel like blow drying it make it a little, it gets tacky too fast. So do not blow dry this, okay? So now that the glue is a little bit tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and place. Bear with me, like I said, my mirror is on the side, so okay. So I got this side glued down. Spatula, I used to have this spatula. It was so good. Oh my God, I lost it during moving and stuff like that. So a rat-tail comb will work too. Yeah. And I'm gonna do this 3 times. Usually I do 2 because I never keep my wig on my head for too long because I do not like hair on my head. So I'm gonna do this 1 more time. So we're gonna tie this up and cut it while we're done. So I'm taking this off. Cut and press. Cut, push down. Cut and push down. So I went ahead and I finished it, but I'm gonna put makeup in between. So I did a little baby hairs, and it's looking okay right now. It's looking good. You know what? It looks good.
If you wanna, got to drink the marijuana. Whenever you decide, let me know. You put them bitches to the side, yeah. On my mind, it's you all the time. You can't. I said, come if you wanna. Got to drink the marijuana. Let me know whenever you decide. Let me know. You put them bitches to the side, yeah. Spit on the mic, something you could bump to. Get nasty for you every time.